Since I'm on vacation, I can take a few videos of Puppy now. Who is that? You do something. Yes, I know. You want head scratches. Okay, okay. You want head scratch. I'm not very good at it. You already know this. Ow, don't bite me. I know I'm not good at it. I'm out of practice. He asks for it, and if I don't do it right, he'll bite my finger. Is this right? Doesn't look right. Doesn't look very comfortable. Well, maybe it is. Are you smiling? Looks like a smile to me. Ooh. Hello, trusting puppy. It still blows my mind how much they trust humans. You trust me more than I trust myself. Yes, I know I'm not doing it right. But you want this? No? Oh, up here? Okay. Oh, no? Should I stop? Continue. Okay. All right, we're done for now. It's almost like you miss. Say goodbye.